Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can pin something on Google Maps, so let's get right into it. So for example, let's say you want to find a location or share it to anybody else. You can just easily pin it on Google Maps yourself. You can do it both on the mobile version and on the web browser version, so it really doesn't matter. If you want to pin a certain location that doesn't have a landmark or any location connected to it. So for example, let's say here, you can just click it on the PC version and it'll add a pin, or just tap and hold on mobile and that'll add a pin. And here you can click the share button and you can share it around, or you can just use this pin for whatever. You can ask for directions from here, directions to here. Right clicking on it will show you the precise coordinates. You can also measure distance from this point, add a missing place, etc., etc. Now that's how you pin a nameless place. If you already have a place there, you can easily just click on it or tap on it once on mobile and it'll be pinned like this. Or alternatively, you can use the search tool in the top left, and that's going to accomplish pretty much the same thing. You just need to find the location you're looking for, tap on it or click on it, and you'll be able to create a pin which you can then share with other people to more easily locate what you are referencing on Google Maps. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.